Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey. So this is the same hair from the Taraji P. Henson product video. Of course, if you watched that review, you know that this is snowing, flaking, blizzard. Obviously, I have to wash this out, so this will be a great opportunity for me to try a couple of new products from my Black Friday purchases. So first up, I'm going to be trying the Soultanicals Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox. And if you are familiar, you know that this is a clay cleanser. It says, take your hair on a healthy hair journey by detoxifying your strands and drawing impurities out with Soultanicals Master Hair Cleanse. This curl detoxifying blend will heal and repair damaged strands, deeply cleanse, leaving you with soft, manageable, enhanced curls. It is truly an earthy vegan delight that is great for all tresses. So I'm going to be giving this a try today. And just to keep it in the Soultanicals family, I am going to be trying their new deep conditioner. This is the Glide and Go Deep Ayurvedic Fenugreek Mask Treatment with herbal teas and botanicals. So this was a new deep conditioner that Soultanicals launched for Black Friday specifically. This says that this mask is a no fluff, straight down to business kind of deep treatment. Fenugreek stimulates blood flow to the scalp, nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. Licorice root opens pores and strengthens weakened hair follicles, which is often the cause of hair loss in the first place. And the active compound in Triphala repairs damaged hair and increases hair volume, also reducing dandruff. So I'm going to be giving this a try on camera for you all today. I've actually already tried this, so stay tuned for my thoughts on it. I'm either not too familiar or not too fond of their leave-ins or stylers, so I'm going to be giving these products a try today. So let me go ahead and wet my hair and let's get started. Okay, so I'm back from wetting my hair. Let me read some directions because I don't know what I'm doing. So the instructions say to use the palm of your hands to evenly coat and distribute product onto hair, preferably in 4 to 6 sections. For excellent root purifying results, cover hair with a plastic baggie, apply heat, and leave on for 30 to 60 minutes. To fully benefit from the curl detox treatment, repeat process each week for 4 to 6 weeks. The more damaged the hair, the longer it takes, but definitely worth the wait. Enjoy healthy, soft, shiny, curl popping, transforming results. Okay, I'm opening this, and this is this is a clay, okay? This is a clay. I'm just trying to get all of my money off of the seal. So this is what it's looking like. It looks super thick, and it doesn't specify on the directions whether to wet your hair, but I'm glad that I did. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair, and then we'll go ahead and start applying it. All right, so I'm just going to start on this front section here. Oh, this is thick. I'm going to go in with like that much, and I'm going to put it right on my scalp because that's where I need the detox. I'll go in with a little bit more and apply it throughout the section. Make sure all the strands are coated with it. FYI, you are not getting a lot of slip from this at all. It feels very refreshing putting it on my scalp, and I don't know if that's because the product is just cold or if it's like the ingredients in the product. Might just be a combination of both. So just to get this section out the way, I'm just going to do a chunky twist and move on to the next section. Okay, so I'm on the last section, and I wanted to mention that 1, you're not going to get a lot of slip from this. 2, it's funky. Like I don't like the smell of this at all. I can't even put into words the funk, like the stench that is emanating from this jar. I can say that it does feel super refreshing on my scalp. So I feel like this is about to give me a very thorough cleanse. And I'm making sure I get it all over. I'm actually going to take these twists down just to make sure I got everybody covered. And I'm making sure I work this into my scalp really well. So that way we get the ultimate benefits of this detox cleanser. So directions say to cover this with a plastic cap and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. So I am going to do just that. And then I'm going to rinse it out. And I assume I'm probably going to have to rinse this out because it's kind of like gritty. Because of course it's like Ayurvedic powders and things. So I'm going to rinse this out with like warm water. Even though this wasn't a super moisturizing or slippery application, my curls are popping. I wish my wash and go would dry like this. But here is the full 360. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a plastic cap and let this sit for probably 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse it out, and then we'll go ahead and apply the deep conditioner. Okay, so I'm all done. So I did let the detox sit on my hair for about 45 minutes and I rinsed it with lukewarm water. And while I was rinsing it, I was making sure I was really massaging my scalp. And I was really like sectioning my hair so that way the water could run through all of it and get all of the product out. My scalp feels so good. My hair is still pretty damp. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the deep conditioner. And as you can see, I've already tried this. I'm going to use about that much. Just going to apply that. Ooh, instantly. So of course I'm applying it liberally throughout the section, making sure to coat every strand. This has great slip. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm making sure I get these edges, because what am I without my edges? Nothing. The conditioner is super smooth, nice slip. And remember I said that the clay wasn't really moisturizing or slippery going on, so my hair wasn't detangled. I didn't pre-poo or anything like that. So this had a lot of work to do. Of course, after that detox cleanse, my hair is drinking this deep conditioner right up. And just from that side of my head, this is all the shed hair that I have. Pretty good. So let me go ahead and finish applying this to the other side of my head. Okay, so I'm finished applying the deep conditioner. I'm probably going to let this sit for about 30 minutes. I'm not going to apply any heat, but I am going to apply a Target bag, and then I'll come back once I've rinsed it out with my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm all done rinsing my hair from the deep conditioner, and yes, so soft. I wish my wash and go would dry like this. All right, for the sake of distraction, let me put my hair back up. Okay, now that my hair is back up, let's get into it. First, I went in with the Curl Detox from Soultanicals. Love this. When I say this cleaned my hair, it cleaned my hair. My scalp still feels super refreshed. Now listen, this is not moisturizing. This is not going to give you any slip. But if you want a thorough cleanse of your hair without having to deal with any type of lather, or you don't want to necessarily co-wash, this is it. My hair felt super clean. I did leave this under the plastic cap for about 45 minutes, and I made sure that I rinsed my hair with warm water. Otherwise, you may have a little bit of residue left in your hair. From my previous experience with clay cleansers, I know to always rinse my hair with warm water. Otherwise, it'll leave like little bits, little granules, little bits of residue in your hair. So definitely make sure you rinse this out with warm water. My scalp and hair felt So good. Now, because I had such a thorough cleanse with the detox, I did want to make sure I go in with the super moisturizing deep conditioner. So I went in with the new deep conditioner from Soultanicals, and this is their Ayurvedic fenugreek mask treatment. This is my second time using this, and I probably have about a half of use left in this container, but I did buy 2 of them for Black Friday. I would highly recommend this. This does have a sweet kind of cinnamony warm scent to it, but the scent isn't too strong. It's not offensive or anything, at least not to me. You all saw when I applied this very liberally, and I made sure I went through and coated my hair evenly. I was also able to finger detangle my hair with this, so love this, love this. I left this in under the plastic bag for about 30 minutes, and then I rinsed it out with warm water. My hair feels super, super soft. I know that the Curl Detox is not, but if this deep conditioner in particular is not limited edition, make sure you grab this during the next sale at Soultanicals. Now, it might take a while to get to you, but I highly recommend it. All in all, I thoroughly enjoyed my wash day with these products. I will say that it got a little messy with the clay cleanser, but mainly just because my hair was hanging down on my shoulders, which I expected because it's a clay cleanser, but it wasn't as messy as it would have been if I mixed it myself. I know that most of us have a love-hate relationship with Soultanicals, but the products, by and large, are so good. So that wraps up my thoughts on the Curl Detox and the new fenugreek mask from Soultanicals. Make sure to drop down in the comments with your thoughts. Let me know if you've tried these products or if you picked them up this past Black Friday. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.